What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today I wanted to tell you about a new project that comes with a free demo, so stick around for a link or click on that link in the description below for a new project that I was working on. I found a really cool template from Monster Tooth Studios, so I am now collaborating on that template, and I started working on importing some custom characters, some visuals, and really going for a Vampire Survivors style vibe here, with a little hint of Hades as well. I found some really cool storyline bits that I'd like to implement, hence the name Rite of Eris. I won't spoil too much, but it's going to be a pretty fun one. Now, before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed because 99% of you are not subscribed, and that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. Speaking of thanks, huge shout out to Miss Mo Davis and Tammy the Psychic. Thank you so much for being channel members. If you want to support this channel and get shout outs in videos like this, click on that join button below. So, onto the video itself. What is Rite of Eris? So, Rite of Eris is a survivor's roguelike, again, sort of like Vampire Survivors and Hades. Let's go ahead and try out a simple demo first. We're going to do an outdoor stage first, and we'll launch the game. Now, this is what the game looks like, and we can run around and pick up health potions. We see some enemies coming up here. We're going to grab some coins and try to take care of these enemies. And we're going to pick up all of these orbs. And as we get enough orbs, you'll see the experience on top level up. And then once it reaches a new level, we can go ahead and choose a new ability. So let's go ahead and choose a new one. And let's try a fireball. So this will shoot a fireball at the nearest enemy. So let's try and not get stuck here. And let's strategically take some out here. And we see a crate here. So I found a chest, open to gain new abilities. And I'm getting a level 2 and level 3 fireball. So that's pretty cool. Let's take that. And now when it shoots a fireball, it actually does AoE damage and hits multiple enemies at once. Very cool. Let's go ahead and grab some more of these orbs because I'm getting a bit low on health. Let's go ahead and choose lightning. Lightning is a great one. It'll shoot a lightning bolt at a random area on the screen where there's an enemy, and it'll essentially take out just hordes of enemies if it hits a group. So we level up again. Let's go ahead and let's choose ability bonus damage. There we go. Now I'm going to go grab some health because I'm running low. Let's grab that one and this one. And we're getting lots of kills over here. Let's get a frost bolt as well. So now we're shooting a firebolt and a frost bolt. All of these can be individually upgraded and leveled as well. You can see Frostbolt, we can fire one more projectile, or Fireball, we can increase the damage. Same with Lightning, so let's go ahead and do fire one more projectile. So now we fire 2 at a time. And you can see it's getting more and more difficult as well as we go along. It's getting a lot harder to avoid these enemies because the horde is just getting larger and larger, and you can see we now have a more powerful enemy, and these are elites, so these are going to take more damage to take down. So let's go ahead and increase our lightning damage, and I'm just going to really try and stay away from enemies while this happens. Let's choose a new ability, increase the strike radius of our lightning. That might be good. So I really need to try not to get hit here. Oh, I just got hit. Okay, so I just lost. And that was one level. So we do have multiple levels. And I didn't even get to explore a lot of that level. Let's go ahead and try the first demo map. And you can also notice that we have different characters. So I don't have enough gold to unlock Aurora yet. So let's see if we get enough for this one. So now I'm in this level. I'm going to go ahead and pick up some coins here. And here's a chest. Let's open this up. Base damage increased by 5. I see some health. I'm going to save that for later, but I am going to pick up these coins if I can. Let's go ahead and choose lightning. And you can see how this can end up being really, really fun and really addicting because it's constantly rewarding you and it's constantly increasing your damage and types of effects you can use. I plan to add a lot more effects. Right now we have maybe 4 or 5 different effects, but I plan to add quite a few more, as well as new upgrades to those effects. So let's go ahead and add Fireball. And I'm already going to need that health, so I'm going to go ahead and just grab that. Yep. Oh, I hit more enemies trying to get the health. Lovely. Let's go ahead and increase our max health and see if I could find some more over this way. Yep. Alright, so those guys are locking me in over here. Let's see if I can get out. No, I'm stuck. No, I got out. Okay. So let's open this chest. And we got lightning. Great. Lightning is pretty useful. I see some health down here, so I'll take that. And I see some more health down there. I'll take that as well. Let's go ahead and do an increase of health bonus and pick this up. And now we're kind of stuck a little bit. I'm worried about how I'm going to get back up those stairs. So you definitely have to be strategic about how you play. It definitely turns into like a bullet hell shooter after a while. But we do have enough to purchase the next character, so I don't have to stay alive for too much longer. Let's go ahead and do lightning, and hopefully that will take out some more characters. And I might be able to get... Oh, no, couldn't get up. Okay, traveling back to lobby. And now let's try buying another character. Let's choose Aurora, and let's unlock. And now we have Aurora. She starts with Frostbolt instead of Hammer, and we'll have different starting statistics as well if we launch the game as Aurora. You see we can now control this character, and she will start with a Frostbolt. We can go ahead and pick up this chest and apply other ones as well. Let's see what she gets. Just more Frostbolt, so she's going to get a super powered one right at the beginning. And we can see now they're shooting right away. And it's shooting 2 Frostbolts at a time, which is pretty much killing enemies immediately. So, pretty cool. I got myself into a bad spot there, but you get the idea. Let me know what you think of this game. There's a free demo on itch.io at MikeTheTech.itch.io. I'll put a link in the description below, and you can download that and let me know what you think. I do plan to upgrade this and add more features to it, and if you guys really like it, I might even put it up on Steam. So, thank you so much for watching, and as always, have a great day. Peace.
From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech, the architect,